Ancient Egyptians deeply revered a humble, fascinating creature. Its enduring power still captivates scholars today. Ancient Egyptians deeply revered a humble, fascinating creature. Its enduring power still captivates scholars today. We dive into the sacred world of the scarab beetle. This insect embodied profound cultural and religious beliefs. It was far more than just a common dung beetle. For millennia, it symbolized life, death, and renewal. Its image permeated every aspect of daily existence. From pharaohs to commoners, its meaning resonated deeply. Uncover why this beetle became so extraordinarily powerful. The scarab's journey began with the rising sun. Ancient Egyptians observed dung beetles rolling their dung balls. This action mirrored the sun god Ra traversing the sky. They called this deity Khepri, meaning he who comes into being. Khepri represented creation, rebirth, and eternal morning. He pushed the sun disk, bringing forth each new dawn. The beetle's life cycle further enhanced this symbolism. Larvae emerging from the dung ball seemed self-created. Scarab amulets were incredibly popular throughout ancient Egypt. People wore them for protection, luck, and fertility. They often featured hieroglyphs on their flat undersides. These inscriptions included names, prayers, or good wishes. During the Middle Kingdom, scarab seals became vital. Officials used them to authenticate documents and property. Their unique designs functioned like modern signatures today. Perhaps the most crucial scarab was the heart scarab. It played a pivotal role in funerary rituals, placed over the deceased's heart during mummification. Its purpose was to prevent the heart from testifying during the weighing of the heart ceremony in the afterlife. The heart would speak against the deceased's earthly deeds. Heart scarabs, often carved from dark stone, prevented this. They usually bore a spell from the Book of the Dead, specifically Chapter 30b, ensuring a smooth transition. This ensured eternal life in the field of reeds. Scarabs were depicted everywhere, from tombs to jewelry. Intricate gold scarabs adorned pharaohs like Tutankhamun. His burial mask featured a prominent winged scarab. Wall paintings show Khepri pushing the sun across horizons. These artistic representations reinforced its divine status. Their enduring presence highlights their cultural importance. The humble scarab beetle transcended its insect form. It became a powerful icon of renewal for millennia. Its story reveals ancient Egypt's intricate belief system. This tiny creature shaped an entire civilization's worldview. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.